Downloading an Instagram story with music is basically downloading Instagram story sound. It's not that hard, and right now we're gonna use the IDM server to download our Instagram stories from PC. You can just screen record or use any other software from your PC if you want to, or your mobile, but right now I'll use IDM, and because it's pretty simple to download videos from internet with IDM. So to download an Instagram story, I'll just head on to a page and story and find a story with music. So this story is with music. I don't know if it's copyright free, but I'll just download it. Seeing the icon popping up there, and if I click start download, the video will be downloaded. So as you can see, the video is downloaded. So that's how you can download Instagram story with music. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, then please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and peace.